global economy is definitely in better shape now than back in June. Many businesses are open again, but the services sector still remains vulnerable. International travel remains limited, and people are still less keen to go out and eat or shop. But there's still good reason to hope that the recovery will hold. Economic data recently has been encouraging, and global manufacturing data has actually been trending above pre-pandemic levels. Remaining invested is key here. But investors could also think about investments that are tied into the economic recovery, like the industrial sector, for example. The big source of market uncertainty is, of course, whether and where there will be further waves of the virus. Expect markets to react in pandemic-related news. We should also brace ourselves for volatility from geopolitics. Include safe investments like high-quality bonds and gold as portfolio insurance. And as the US presidential election draws near, we are expecting volatility to increase from that too. We're also watching to see whether governments continue their COVID-19 economic support measures, which in some countries are due to expire. These decisions will be crucial to the recovery. Stay invested, stay diversified, and stay vigilant. The possibility of COVID-19 related volatility remains, and investors need to guard against this. It's also important to protect from geopolitical volatility, but also consider how different US election results could create opportunities. For example, a status quo in the White House may maintain the current equity momentum, while a Democratic president could pave the way for new green initiatives. To diversify geographically, we advocate looking at Asian and Eurozone equities, which offer more attractive valuations, and in the case of Asia, interesting growth opportunities. And if the global economy does keep gaining steam, cyclical industries like the industrial sector may stage a comeback. We're optimistic that the recovery can continue, and we advocate investments that reflect this. Please stay safe and have a fruitful investment journey.